Welcome to Section 1. Introduction to MindsDB. MindsDB is a powerful tool that makes machine learning easy. It's like having a data scientist in a box. You can use it to find patterns in your data, make predictions, and even automate decisions. This is a game changer because you don't need to be a coding expert to use it. In today's world, data is everywhere. MindsDB helps you unlock the secrets hidden in your data. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or just curious, MindsDB can empower you. Imagine predicting customer churn, forecasting sales, or even detecting anomalies in your data, all with just a few lines of code. MindsDB is at the forefront of a revolution in machine learning, making it accessible to everyone. It's built on open-source technologies, ensuring transparency and a thriving community. This means you're not alone on your journey. You can find tons of resources, tutorials, and support online. This beginner's guide will walk you through the basics of MindsDB, from installation to building your first model. We'll keep it simple, using clear language and practical examples. Let's dive in and unlock the power of machine learning together. Moving on to Section 2. Installing MindsDB. Getting started with MindsDB is a breeze. The installation process is straightforward and well documented. You can choose from various installation options depending on your operating system and preferences. For beginners, we recommend using Docker, a popular platform for running applications in containers. Docker simplifies the installation process and ensures consistency across different environments. You can download and install Docker from the official website. Once you have Docker up and running, installing MindsDB is as easy as running a single command in your terminal. MindsDB provides clear instructions and code snippets on their website to guide you through the process. After installation, you can verify that MindsDB is running correctly by accessing its web interface. The web interface provides a user-friendly way to interact with MindsDB, create projects, and manage your models. Now, let's delve into Section 3, Understanding MindsDB Concepts. Before we jump into building models, let's familiarize ourselves with some core MindsDB concepts. Understanding these concepts will make your machine learning journey smoother. First, data sources. MindsDB connects to various data sources such as databases, spreadsheets, and cloud storage services. This allows you to analyze data directly from its source without manual data transfers. Next, models. Models are the heart of machine learning. They are mathematical representations of patterns in your data. MindsDB supports various machine learning models for different tasks, like prediction, classification, and anomaly detection. Then, predictors. Predictors are the variables you want to predict or analyze. For example, if you're predicting customer churn, your predictors might include customer demographics, purchase history, and engagement metrics. Lastly, training data. To build a model, you need to train it on a dataset. Training data helps the model learn the patterns and relationships in your data. The quality and quantity of your training data significantly impact your model's performance. Now comes the exciting part. Building your first machine learning model. We'll keep it simple and guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to connect MindsDB to your data source. MindsDB supports various data sources, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Once connected, you can select the data you want to use for your model. Next, you'll choose a machine learning task. Do you want to predict a numerical value, classify data into categories, or detect anomalies? MindsDB offers pre-built models for various tasks, making it easy to get started. With your data and tasks selected, you can train your model. MindsDB will automatically handle the complex process of training the model on your data. You can even monitor the training progress and evaluate the model's performance. Once your model is trained, you can use it to make predictions on new data. MindsDB provides simple commands to query your model and get insights from your data. Even with the best tools, you might encounter occasional hiccups. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some quick troubleshooting tips. First, check your data. Ensure your data is clean, consistent, and in the correct format. Inaccurate or inconsistent data can significantly impact your model's performance. Second, review the documentation. MindsDB has excellent documentation that covers various topics and provides solutions to common problems. Don't hesitate to consult the documentation for detailed explanations. Third, join the community. MindsDB has a vibrant and supportive community of users and developers. Join the MindsDB forum or Slack channel to ask questions, share your experiences, and get help from the community. Lastly, experiment and iterate. Machine learning is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment with different models, parameters, and data pre-processing techniques to improve your model's performance. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the world of machine learning with MindsDB. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of possibilities waiting to be explored. MindsDB empowers you to unlock the potential of your data without needing to be a machine learning expert. Its user-friendly interface, intuitive concepts, and powerful capabilities make it an ideal tool for beginners and experienced users alike. As you continue your machine learning journey, remember to experiment, explore, and never stop learning. The more you practice, the better you'll become at building accurate, reliable, and impactful machine learning models. So go ahead, dive in, and see what you can discover.